If you've watched our countdown to the kickoff shows from San Francisco all week, I bet some of you are wondering how you can get yourself a ticket to the Super Bowl at this late date. How about via Ticketmaster? Yes, Ticketmaster, where you can buy legitimate tickets secondhand, rather than pushing your luck with some scalper. Although, to be fair, you better be willing to spend thousands of dollars if you want to attend the big game. Well, we've got an amazing opportunity here because we can check in with Michael Rapino. He's the president and CEO of Live Nation Entertainment to talk tickets and everything else about the entertainment world. Mr. Rapino, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, we checked. $920 for not good ones, $2,800 for good, $20,000 for the best on your site. When did the NFL decide that this was the right way to go instead of having the guy ask me if I have any extra tickets on the street?
On the street, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, you know, content has been trying to get a hold of those tickets for the last few years. If you're the NFL, if you're an artist or a sports team, you know, you're not doing well when they're selling on the street. So most of the artist teams have been trying to create their own exchanges, try to operate their own exchanges so they can understand the data, they can understand the pricing. And in this case, we have the NFL exchange with them. And all of that information and all that data gets fed back to the NFL so they can control and monetize the experience.
Is this the Super Bowl for the Live Nation, too?
You know, this the Ticketmaster is going to do very well this weekend as people scramble to try to get into the weekend Sunday show. I think right now, on average, I think it's $5,000 if you want to get in there on Sunday. So, yes, I'm sure the price will go up over the weekend as the supply is just incredible.
All right, well, you're much bigger than just the Super Bowl. You can say that, but you are the concert venue of the world. I happen to have the privilege of having dinner with Lars Ulrich this week from Metallica, and he said, you know what, he used to do concerts to sell records. Now he does records to sell concert tickets. That's
well
part
said.
of the revolution that really you put into place.
Yeah, this is our 10th year anniversary of going public, and 10 years ago, you know, we had the same thesis that live was going to be the center of the wheel.
Yeah.
The artist was going to have to go on the road to pay the bills and to build his community. And if you look at it now, we're doing almost 25,000 shows in 41 countries. And every day an artist wakes up and says, whether they're the brand new artist out of the garage or they're the Rolling Stones, they've got to get on the road. It's the best way they can monetize their audience and connect with their audience and deliver their music.
Well, one of the things I'm shocked about is that apparently something that we do in this country does travel and is dominant. The countries that you have venues, I mean, they read like the National Geographic at this point.
Yeah, you know, it's a global business. You know, one of the things that we're gifted in is, first, it's a global demand. And if you're a 19-year-old lady in any country in the world right now, you're on YouTube and you're looking at the new Rihanna album this week or Coldplay. So it's a global business. So we want to be in a global business in terms of distribution. So we're in 41 countries and growing because we can bring Rihanna, we can bring Coldplay. All of these artists are superstars, and we want to be in the streets of Colombia or Singapore putting those shows on.
You know, I'm going to use you as a bit of a metaphor. Mark Benioff, Salesforce.com, has been instrumental in doing some of your customer relations.
Yes.
Both your stock and his stock under pressure.
Yep.
Both, unlike what a lot of people think, huge operating cash flow.
Yep.
Right? I mean, your company is making a lot of money.
Yep.
But people seem to think that it's like, well, we can't, operating cash flow can be trusted.
Yeah, you know, Mark, it's a little crazy right now. Our job is just keep building our business.
Right.
We're going to have probably 2015 is going to end up as a record year for us. Cash flow, stock, ticket prices. And we think 16 is looking now to probably top 2015. So from our core business, there's more concerts happening every day. We're selling more tickets than ever, and we're going to continue to produce great results.
No global recession from looking at your order book, right?
No, we don't see any pullback. As of this morning, we got the data. We're tracking ahead of last year on ticket sales. So those consumers are still going to go to those 2 or 3 shows a year.
One last thing, in the October 29th, that's the conference call, you say on the content side, we have launched Live Nation TV in beta with Yahoo. That sounds pretty exciting to me. How did the beta go, and are we rolling it out now?
Yeah, I mean, you know, remember, one of our core businesses is we are the NFL in terms of advertisers. We have 800 advertisers. We have 63 million customers went to a Live Nation show last year. That's bigger than the NFL, the NBA, or the NHL. So we do a great job selling 800 sponsors those events, but we had to make sure we added a digital component to it. Had to have a media element. So Yahoo and other ways, we now take those shows, we stream them live, whether it's online or whether it's on a mobile app, and we've been able to double and triple our digital advertising by that combination of on-site and online.
At the same time, you know the information, you could push me merchandise that actually I want as opposed to spamming.
Yeah, we have the largest database in the world. We know exactly what show you went to, what your daughter went to, what your wife went to. we can have a great one-to-one relationship. And thanks to Benioff, our database and what the platforms he's provided us, we're really, really driving a per ticket show now because of that one-to-one data.
It's always great to hear the social mobile cloud is alive and making money, and that you at Live Nation are doing it. That's Michael Rapino, who's the president and CEO of Live Nation. One day people like growth stocks again. You don't know, but you got to learn them. Stay with Cramer. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.